Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing to share with you guys. After my last box, when I went to go check out, I got another offer to waive the styling fee, and so I went ahead and ordered another fix, and so here it is, and we're going to unbox it together. And then in case you wanted to know what I kept from my last box, let me show you that. So I really wanted to keep everything because I did actually like everything in there, but I narrowed it down and I kept the jumpsuit. And then the other item that I kept was this brightly colored coral blazer. So I'm just going to divide this into chapters. So in case you are familiar with Stitch Fix, you can just scroll on to the next section for the unboxing. But if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a subscription box. You can schedule it to come whenever you want, as frequently as you want. Whatever you want to do that meets your lifestyle needs and your wardrobe needs. And then if you do want to take advantage and you're a new customer, I do have a referral link in the description box. If you want to click on that, you'll get $25 credit towards your first purchase. So it is a $20 styling fee usually, but I had the offer to waive the styling fee, so I went ahead and ordered another box. But if you do pay the $20 styling fee, that is going to go toward anything that you purchase out of the box. If you don't get anything out of the box, that is just $20 that you do have to pay if you decide not to keep anything. But there's usually something that you're going to like at the box to put that $20 styling fee towards. I get excited for these Stitch Fix boxes, and something that had changed from previous is you can actually do a preview. So when your stylist gets your pieces together, you'll get a little preview of maybe, I think there was like 8 or 9 different items that could be in my fix, and then you can put whether you like it or dislike it, and then that'll give the stylist some kind of feedback on what maybe to put in there that you do actually like. So I did see my preview, and I think I picked either 2 or 3 tops that I saw that I liked. So I'm not really sure what the other 2 items are going to be, but I do know what 3 of them are. And that's really neat if you want a preview, but a lot of times I just love the surprise of it. So here is the bundle in here, and the first thing that's on here is the shipping mailer. So if there are some things that you don't like out of the box, you just put them in here. It's already addressed and prepaid. And then the next thing you'll see is this card right here that has a pricing sheet for all of the things that are in there. And this is fix number 49. If you choose to keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. And then you also get these little cards that will show you some styling tips that go along with it, along with a note from your stylist. So Kylie is my stylist again. And it says, it's wonderful to have the opportunity to style you again and see that you're ready to embrace the upcoming spring season. Because in my note, I just said that I wanted some tops, some crops, some pants, maybe some white bottoms, something to go forward into spring, nothing heavy, nothing spring transitioning anymore. I just wanted full-on spring items. I can see from your request and preview selections that you're looking for a mix of fresh tops and versatile bottoms and have specific preferences for your shorts and pants. While I was limited in cargo style shorts, because that was a request that I had in my note to her, and bottoms in a white hue, I did come across these wide leg studio blue crop jeans that I thought would look lovely with any of the tops you choose from your preview, or the 9 Brenton tank that I added from your freestyle saved items to complete your look. What do you think of the length and patch pockets of the bottoms after testing them out at home? So it looks like she gave me 3 tops from the preview that I had liked, and apparently a pair of jeans maybe. So let's get out the burrito, you guys. So here it is. Ooh, and I'm seeing some really pretty colors. So let's get into it. This is so exciting to open these up. I knew I shouldn't have started back with Stitch Fix because it's so nice. I love the things they usually send, and they usually do fit good, but I wasn't really sure. Look at those beautiful colors. So what I'll do is I'll just show you what's in here, give you the close-ups of them, and then after this I will go and try all of these on and show you what these look like and give you the price of each one of them. So it looks like the first thing is from Fortune and Ivy, and it is the Brielle mixed material blouse, and then I get it in a size medium. So really pretty how it has the stud detail here. It is a sleeveless style, nice and flowy, which I like. I don't like anything really tight fitting. So the front is more of a, if you can see that, more of, it almost feels linen blend, but I know that it's not. And then the back is more stretchy cotton knit material. So this is a really pretty color. I believe this was one of the ones that was on the preview, I believe. And then this color is gorgeous. It is from Daniel Rain. I actually have a top from Stitch Fix that I got back 3 years ago when I was using Stitch Fix that's in the burgundy color that is exactly like this one. But this color is very pretty. This is from Daniel Rain, and it's the lace detail split neck blouse in cobalt, and it's in a size medium as well. I like this pleating detail that's throughout. Really pretty. I love the blue. So here is another top from Fortune and Ivy. It has these really cute flutter sleeves that are split down the side, and then this looks like it could be a mixed material too. Same kind of material as the other one in the front, and then in the back you've got that stretchy feel. At least it's not the exact same top as in the last Fix that I got. Two tops exactly the same. Like that little keyhole detail there at the top. So this is the Adeline keyhole detail blouse in teal green in size medium. So another nice flowy top. And then here it looks like there's another top in this beautiful purple color. This is from Nine Britain. This is the Kendall V-neck woven tank in purple, again in a size medium. It's got some smocking up here at the sleeves, and then it looks like it's got a band at the bottom. So it'll kind of give you that little bubble effect. Beautiful color. So I'm really excited about all the colors of these tops. They're nice and flowy and loose, which I really like. I don't like anything really tight fitting. So here are the jeans she mentioned in the little note to me. Patch pocket in the front, studio blue. They're in a size 29, and they are the Steph high rise patch pocket wide leg jean, and they're kind of like in this lighter wash. I like the wide leg all the way through, so we'll see what these look like and if they're gonna fit. And in the back you can see the pockets. They have these little pockets in the back as well. I like the patch pocket detail in the front, and I do like that wide leg. So let's see how these fit, and I will be right back. Okay guys, here's the first look. So I only have one pair of bottoms, so I'm gonna just be wearing those with all the tops and show you the different tops. These are the studio blue jeans. I've never had studio blue before, but I think I really like the feel of these. This isn't a real stiff denim, but it's not too soft either. But the length, I love the length on this. Now I'm 5'5" for reference, and I love how these hit. I love that they're right there at the ankle. I like the wash of these. You have these patch pockets in the front. Sorry for all the tags. And I actually don't think they look too bad in the back. I think they actually maybe make the bottom look a little good with the way these pockets are. But I like this wash. So this one I'm thinking may be a good one. I also want you guys to tell me in the comments. It really helped me on the last box what you guys thought, because I really wanted to keep it all, and some people talked me out of one or two of the things that I was going to actually keep. So I really love your opinion, you guys. That was so helpful, and I love hearing from you guys to see what it is you might like and what you might not like. So these are the jeans, and I think they fit good. They feel comfortable. They're not tight or anything like that. And I just really like the length on these. I can wear these with flats, or I can wear them with a little bit of a heel. I do have a little bit of a heel. It's just a cute little sandal. But this top, oh my gosh, I knew I was gonna like this top because I liked the other one, but this color is just so gorgeous. So you can see all this pretty like open stitching here, and this pleating detail. It's got a little bit of a cap sleeve, and then you can see in the back of it, it kind of has that little pleating too. So I did just give it a front tuck, but here's the length of it. It's not too bad. You could actually leave it untucked, but I think this would be really pretty with some white jeans, some white bottoms, anything like that. I think that would be really pretty and make this top just pop even more. But I think this is a pretty color, you guys. So this is a medium, and the bottoms are an 8, so these are both true to size. And let's move on to the next. I almost forgot to tell you guys. So the top is $64, and the jeans are $64 as well. So here's the next top. This is that Nine Britain top that is in that pretty purple color. So this is the one that has the band at the bottom. So I really do like tops that have that. Then you have this kind of like a notched neckline, and then this really pretty smocking that is at the shoulders. And then here's what it looks like in the back. And again, I just have them with those jeans since there's only one bottom that they sent with me, but I think that I like this one as well. There's a lot of room in this one, and the color is just gorgeous. I mean, look at the up close of this color. It's such a pretty color. I do like the smocking that is at the sleeves, but I like the neckline on this one as well. You can wear a really fun piece of jewelry with it. So I like this. What do you guys think about this top? So then this one, the Nine Britain, is $44 for this one. So here's the next top. This is in that burgundy color. So again, it's another sleeveless top. It's got this little bit of a V-neck, And you've got those stud detail right here at the sleeves. Now this was a little bit long, so I did front tuck this one. You can see the length of it. So this is the one that's got the mixed material. This is more of that stretchy. See how that stretches? This is more of the stretchy material in the back, and then this is more of a dressier style material in the front. What do you think? I think I like this one too. So this top is going to be $39. Okay, here's the other Fortune and Ivy top. And disregard, these came straight out of the box. I haven't steamed any of them, so you're gonna see a little bit of wrinkles in them. So this has that flutter sleeve, and it's got that little slit at the sleeves. And then it has the keyhole detail, kind of a little bit knotted. Disregard that I left my necklace on, of course. I wouldn't wear a necklace like this with it. And then it has this little pleating detail that's right here. I do have it front tucked again. That's the length of it. I can untuck it, but what do you guys think about this one? That's the length of it if you left it untucked. It's got a little circle hem on it. I actually like the length when it's untucked too, but I think it looks a little bit cleaner if you just French tucked it or front tucked that. But what do you think about this? This is cute with the little peekaboo flutter sleeves and this little keyhole detail. I don't really like tops too far on my neck, but this one's not that bad. And then this one is also $39. So let me go ahead and just give you my final thoughts on this box, and please let me know what you think in the comments down below, because I've got 3 days to send this back, and I don't know if I told you that or not, but you do have 3 days to look over everything, see what you want, what you do not want. Make sure you do the checkout and send the items that you don't want back. But then if you do keep everything, you do get that 25% discount. So again, the total of all 5 of these items was $250. And then if I kept everything with the 25% off, it took $62.50 off for a total of $187.50. And I actually think I like all the tops, and I'm really surprised by these jeans, how comfortable they are. I've been wearing them throughout this video, and they don't seem to be stretching out. They seem to be keeping their shape. And I actually like the trouser style of the back of them with these pockets and things. So guys, tell me what you think. What would you keep out of this box? And again, don't forget, if you do want to try Stitch Fix and you want to use my referral link, you can click it in the description box, and then you'll get a $25 credit towards your purchase. And then that also gives me a $25 credit as well. We can help each other out to expand our wardrobe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.